Sometimes Android emulator consumes a lot of storage, CPU power as well as other system resources. And installing an Android emulator will not be a great idea for some of you. Well, what if I tell you you don't need an Android emulator to run an Android app? And in this video, we will learn how to do that. So hey everyone, welcome to techsperm, and without wasting any time, let's get into the video. To install the Android app on your PC, you will first need to download APK file of the app that you want to install. For that, open any browser. In address bar, type apkplayer.com and hit enter or go to the link given in description. Here, click on the search button and search the app you want to download. Now, click on download button and again click on download APK button. Now wait for app to download. Now to install Android apps, open any browser. In address bar type lambdatest.com. Now log into the site. After logging in, click on real-time testing and click on app testing. Here click on upload to upload the APK file and select the APK file here. Select the device you want to mimic. Now finally click on start. Now in this virtual device you can launch your app. And now you can run your app without an Android emulator. This method won't consume any resources as much as an emulator would, but you will definitely need a good internet connection. So that is it for this video. Like if you liked it, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.